Hey, what's going on there, everyone? It's TechWares, and today is November 21st, 2024. And I just wanted to make this video just to show you this amazing deal. Unfortunately, this is only for Newegg US, so just newegg.com. It's not for any other country, unfortunately, because it is an amazing deal. If you live in the US, you could possibly take advantage of this deal. If you are looking for a graphics card, or if you just need a second graphics card, or if you just want to play with Intel Arc GPUs. This is the Acer Predator BiFrost Intel Arc A770 16 gig graphics card. All right, so this is the flagship Alchemist, codenamed Alchemist architecture from Intel, or the A series, the flagship A series graphics card. All right, and this one is from Acer. It comes with it comes with 16 gigs, and it's selling for $230. Yes, $230 shipped. This is an amazing deal, honestly. It's a great deal. Um, it's also cool that it's bundled with Assassin's Creed Shadows. So I think that's like a $50 game. So yeah, it has a $50 value on that game. Um, it's a really unique design for a graphics card. It's actually one of the, I think, coolest looking Alchemist uh, AIB GPUs out there. So 230 shipped. It's a fantastic deal, especially because it is 16 gigs VRAM. Right, that's a lot of VRAM. It's just how it looks. Got a nice back plate right there. Two 6-pin uh, connectors on there. You got the Predator logo. I'm not sure if it lights up. I think it does. I know the fans do. I'm not sure if that Predator uh, writing right there is RGB as well. So yeah, what else does it have? So yeah, it has a core clock of 2200, boost clock of 2400. Comes with one HDMI 2.0 and three DP 2.0 DisplayPort 2.0s. You can check out the the Newegg page for it to get more information. Yeah, supports of course XeSS, Intel's AI upscaling technology. Um, Also supports DX DirectX 11 Ultimate. It has Xe cores. Comes with Acer's 5th gen Aeroblade 3D fan technology. I guess that's what they call it. Frostblade 2.0. Uh, Vapor chamber. Yeah, it supports many AI tools out there. You can also use it with Intel's AI Playground tool. Of course, it supports industry's first AV1 technology, so it makes a great card for professional use as well. Encoding, decoding AV1. Comes with Intel's hyper encoding technology. Also, what is it? Intel Deep Link technology supports. You can also use it with the Intel BiFrost application. It's a utility application. I think you can change some clocks. You can overclock with it. You can change the LED colors. So yeah, I just want to bring this to your attention. If you're looking for a graphics card, I think this is a fantastic deal. Let me know what you guys think in the comment. You guys, honestly, I didn't even know that Newegg has a trade-in program where you can trade in an older GPU and they give you credit towards a new GPU. That's actually really cool. I didn't even know they have that. So yeah, let me know what you guys think. Okay, over here it says it's valued at $70. The Assassin's Creed game, Assassin's Creed Shadows, valued at $70. So if you're getting a brand new GPU, 16 gig with 16 gig VRAM, and a $70 valued game. Yeah, once again, I'm out, guys. Let me know what you guys think. I'll leave the link in the description, or you guys can go to newegg.com and check it out yourself. Take care, everyone. Peace.